To solve this equation by completing the square, we begin by subtracting 7 from both sides. So we end up with 2x squared plus 2x equals negative 7. Now we want to end up with a positive, just plain x squared, so we don't want this 2 here, so divide both sides by 2. The result is that we have x squared plus x equaling negative 7 halves. I'm going to add a box to each side of the equation for part of the completing the square process. So a box to each side. To fill in the box, we have to go to the next line, the next step here, x plus something squared, and we need another box to fill in. So we take half of the coefficient of the x, which is 1. This is 1 times x, so we take half of the 1. Half times 1 is a half. Square 1/2. 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. So we had to add 1/4 to each side. And this is negative 14/4 plus 1/4 is negative 13/4. And now we can apply the square root property to rewrite this as x plus 1/2 equals plus or minus the square root of negative 13/4. That's plus or minus I times the square root of 13. The negative became the I over 2. And lastly, we just subtract a half from both sides. And we get that x is equal to negative 1/2 plus or minus I times radical 13 over 2. And notice that they both have a denominator of 2, so we can combine them under one fraction. And there's our two solutions for x. We have solved this quadratic equation. Notice that the two solutions are both complex numbers. No real solutions, but we have two complex solutions.